What's going on, ladies and gentlemen? Thank you so much for tuning in. It's me, Mikey Pipes. I just love it when home improvement contractors who are renovating bathrooms, renovating a kitchen, or what have you, and they decide to play plumber. We have an existing residential client. We've been servicing them for about 6-7 years now. They got no heat. You're gonna like this one, I promise. So just smash that thumbs up button in advance and make sure you subscribe because you're gonna love this one. I promise you. Alright, we got no heat on the lower level. 2019 tune-up, 2020 tune-up, 21 tune-up, 22 tune-up, 24 tune-up. Someone used a Sharpie. But now we have no heat on the lower level. We have two zones here. See, even 5 years ago, we used the Taco ECMs. This is gonna be the lower level. Just going down. This is gonna be upstairs. It's going up, so. Not too shabby. Let's go see what's going on with the thermostat. Let's see what happens. Not a effing thing. Got my handy dandy Leatherman. Let's see what happens. That light on?
Yes. This one is on.
Yeah. Now it's off. All right, let's see if there's something wrong with the thermostat.
Oh, I think you're gonna push it up.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Oh yeah, look at that. Look at that mercury bulb right there. Well, that didn't do anything. Let's see. Go gadget. Oh, a little bit too short. Damn it. See if that, is that light on?
No lights on.
No?
No.
All right, I removed that screw and that screw. Wow. I don't think you could have,
Oh, there's a wire out of the way.
yeah. So let's put that there. And let's put that right there. Oh, I already heard it. Look at that. Zone 1 is on. Circulator's on. Oh, we got a little flashy flash there. You renovated the bathroom downstairs, you said, huh? They replaced the baseboard in there too?
Yeah, well,
They changed the baseboard?
The drywall, yeah.
Yeah. Yeah. See that flashing white light? That means there's air in the line. Let's see what happens. Let me see if I could fix that wire, or you need a new thermostat. All right, got that wire fixed there. Put this back on there. There you go. And there's the click. The light's on?
Yes, it's blinking. It's on.
Lights off?
Yes.
Lights on?
Yes.
Perfect. Let's set this to like 80 right there. And let's see if it circulates. All right, let's purge. We're going to close that. Open that. You got no air. You got no air. That's open. They never purged this thing. Nothing's coming out of here. Let's see.
It's coming out now.
Yeah, it is, but nothing's coming out of here though. Why not? There is nothing coming out of there. Let's give it some more pressure. That's an outside hose faucet. 25. Well, this is no bueno. Ain't nothing coming out of here. See right there. That's right. And you just renovated the bathroom, huh? Yeah, let's go see that bathroom. Let me guess, the heat was here?
Yeah.
And now it's not here.
Yeah.
And you know what also is not here?
What?
Heat on the first floor. You know why?
Why?
Because you don't have circulation. Yep. So if unless we're not seeing something, there's there's a pipe leaving, a pipe coming back every radiator. You don't have that anymore. You don't have movement of water. And that's why we're no bueno. You got nothing coming out of here. You got to turn off the thermostat. You got to get them to come back and see what they did. Well, until you restore circulation or a loop, right? If it was freezing outside, I would think you have a frozen pipe, right? Because you don't have circulation. So they cut the pipes there and capped them.
Yeah.
That's what they did?
Yeah, I'm sure.
Okay, so that's why you don't have no heat on the first floor. Besides the thermostat not being connected. Maybe they did that deliberately. Wire just didn't come out. It was like that. Looks like you got bamboozled. I'm sorry.
So how do you fix that?
You have to create the loop. So if there's a pipe going to every radiator, right? Like here, look. You have a pipe going in, and then you have a pipe going out.
Right.
Right, and then it goes to the next one. So like, look, it comes from the boiler, it goes across, down, it feeds the baseboard, and then it goes to the next piece of baseboard. If I were to cap this there and cap that there, you're not going to have any heat, right? Because the water can't travel.
Right.
So if they cut the piping inside the wall and didn't connect the two together and just capped them, that's the reason why. So you're not going to have any heat on the first floor until that loop is created.
Now, when you say a loop, what do you mean?
You're leaving the boiler here. It goes here. It goes around the whole first floor, and then goes back here. Right? If I were to close this valve,
Yeah.
right, you're not going to have any water flow. Right?
Right.
That's what they did. They closed the valve, or they capped the lines without connecting them. Because I have a lot of pressure in there. It's not doing anything.
But how come we didn't have that problem on top? When we take out the two radiator.
I don't know. I'm not here. I don't know about that. I'm gonna take some pressure out of the boiler.
So if I tell the guy that he got a loop,
You gotta turn the heat on upstairs, by the way.
huh?
You gotta turn the heat on upstairs.
Turn it upstairs?
Turn on the heat upstairs because it's too hot. Yep. So you had a piece of baseboard here in the opposite wall. There's a closet. So you can probably open up there and not destroy the tile, but nonetheless, until they create the loop, no bueno. And you can't use the heat. And to prevent damage to that first floor circulator, I removed the white wire from zone 1W. So even if the thermostat is raised up, it's not gonna come on. You gotta get your contractor back here to fix that. Okay?
So he would know?
He would know? I don't know if he would know, but I didn't renovate your bathroom, so I would hope he would know.
So all I had to tell him, you gotta loop it.
He should know what to do. And if he doesn't know what to do, you need to call someone else who can. Otherwise, I have to start digging. And if I have to dig, it's very intrusive. I mean dig with a shovel or dig with a knife and cut open the sheetrock and cut open tile. I wouldn't cut open the tile, but if there was a piece of baseboard there and there's not there now, I would open up the wall behind it and see how they ended the piping. You want me to open up the wall for you? I'll do it right now. It's up to you. You're paying me for the hour anyway, but you tell me. But if there was a piece of baseboard there before and it's not there now, chances are it's inside the wall. Unless it came out from the ground and came up. I don't know. I didn't renovate your bathroom, but he would know, or your contractor know who did it.
Guy here, he's gonna tell you something, all right? Hold on.
Hey,
Hi,
hey, how are you?
this is Mike the Plumber. How are you, sir?
Good. How are you? What's going on?
I'm good. So they don't have any heat on the ground floor, and
I got only the cup with the heater in the bathroom. That's it.
you got what?
Cap. He put
I
cap.
put only the cup.
You put caps on it, the piping?
Yeah, that's it.
Oh,
I don't touch nothing. I put only the cup.
oh. So the two pipes you put caps on them.
Yeah, both.
Okay, both pipes capped. Okay.
Correct.
Is it inside the wall?
No, one is inside the wall and the other one is underneath the ground.
And one's underneath the ground. So one comes up from the ground and one goes inside the wall.
Correct.
Okay, we have to connect those pipes together.
I don't know.
Oh, I know. You may not know, but I know.
When I do it, that's why I tell the lady, you need to leave in the heater inside the bathroom.
Yes.
He said, I don't need it. Okay, that's why I come. And now you have problem.
Yeah.
Again,
So maybe you can open up the wall in the closet to expose the piping, or no, you have to open up the tile.
No, you need to open the floor underneath the ground
Okay.
and the tile on the floor.
Yeah.
And the other pipe is coming in the wall, inside the wall.
Gotcha.
You make a hole, and the back this wall for the inside the bathroom, and the back that wall, you see the pipe, you see the cap.
Yeah.
Because I put only the cap.
Okay.
I don't touch nothing.
All right. Well, I think maybe you'll be the, I'm not just gonna start busting open this wall, but I'll have him reach out to you and see if you guys coordinate this, because you need to connect the two pipes together. If you don't connect two pipes together, you have no heat on the first floor.
Now you have a problem.
Yeah, now a problem. Yes.
More money.
Yeah, more money.
Yes, I tell you already when I put that bathroom,
So what about if I open the wall in the closet behind this wall, behind the bathroom? Maybe I can see the pipes in the wall. No.
Okay, listen. If you go to inside the bathroom, right?
Yes.
And your left side and the corner.
Yes.
And your left side and the corner is one pipe.
Coming in the floor or in the wall?
In the wall.
Okay, and the other pipe, where's that?
And the other pipe is you go maybe to the front door, the bathroom front door.
Yes.
You go all the way to the saddle, the big saddle. You see the big saddle?
Yes.
It's underneath the concrete.
It's underneath the concrete. Okay.
The tile. The tile.
Okay. So it sounds like we got to do some digging.
Yeah.
Yep. Okay. Thank you, Jose.
Yeah.
All right. Thanks.
So let me know.
Yeah, I'll let you know. Well, I'm not gonna start digging, today. But maybe I'll coordinate it with you, or we'll, whatever. Or he'll call you to start digging. But hope he has extra tile.
Listen, when I do the bathroom, I tell the lady, don't cut the pipe, don't cut the heat. When he hit the bathroom, he say, no, I don't need it.
I think maybe he's gonna beat his wife now. It's your wife's fault.
And now you see the problem.
Yeah, I see problem.
It's not
Mucho
my
problema aquí.
Yeah.
All right. Thank you, Jose.
You're welcome.
Here you go, sir. I'll give the phone back to him.
Thank you.
Okay, Jose.
All right, so I closed the valves for the circulator on the supply side, also the return side. So when they start to dig, they won't have to deal with that.
How deep does that go with that?
I have no idea. I didn't remove it. I have no idea.
So like if you just have the two caps.
Didn't I tell you? You wouldn't be disappointed. I swear. I can't make this stuff up, even if you paid me boatloads of cash. And as I say time and time again, hacks bring me stacks. Smash that thumbs up button.